As a parent, you want the best for your child's education, and BusyBee's Help My Student feature is here to support you. This tool provides personalized suggestions and resources tailored to your child's unique needs, helping them overcome challenges and stay on track. Let's start by hearing from Erin's mom on why she likes BusyBee.
As a parent, I want to support my child's learning as much as possible, but sometimes I'm not sure how to help them fully understand or apply the concepts they're learning in school. That's why I turn to BusyBee's Help My Student feature. My child sometimes struggles to apply the lessons they've learned in class to real-world situations or needs extra practice to grasp difficult concepts. I want to help, but it can be hard to come up with activities on my own that reinforce what they're learning in a meaningful way. BusyBees help my students support the content my child is learning, offering extra practice and real-life applications that help them better understand and use what they've learned in the classroom. The activity suggestions are aligned with the lessons and units my child is covering in class. BusyBee suggests activities that I can do with my child at home, such as practice problems, hands-on projects, or discussion prompts. If you're looking for easy and effective ways to help your child understand and apply what they're learning, try BusyBees Help My Student. It's a great way to give them extra support and make learning at home both productive and fun.
Thanks for exploring the Help My Student feature. With BusyBee, you have a trusted partner to help your child overcome obstacles and achieve their full potential. Together, we're making learning a positive and successful experience, one step closer to their bright future.